Let's go ahead and review Code Snippets AI. It lets you generate and share code snippets for Versus Code using the latest AI models. Build a secure library of custom and AI-generated code snippets to share with your
that
team
can
and
generate,
reuse at any
refactor,
time.
debug,
Save hours
optimize,
each week
and
by
store
using the
code.
latest AI models to refactor, document, and debug your code. Build a secure library
The first
of
way
custom and
is simply
AI-generated
highlighting
code
the code
snippets
you
to
want
share
to work
with your
with,
team and
and
reuse at any
right-clicking.
time.
You'll see this
Save
list of
hours each
pre-made
week by
AI
using the
functions
latest
to
AI
choose
models to
from.
refactor,
As soon as you click one,
document, and debug
the
your
AI
code.
will generate a
Snippets
response.
AI is a
And if
visual
the
studio
AI has
code
generated
extension
some
that can
code,
generate,
you can
refactor,
insert it directly
debug,
into your file
optimize,
with one
and
click.
store code for your team. All you gotta do to integrate an AI programming assistant into Visual Studio
Here
Code
you
is
can
install
ask
the
the
Code
AI
Snippets AI
anything
extension.
regarding the code you
With
highlighted.
this extension,
Something
you'll
as
be able
simple
to
as,
choose between
what
four
does this
leading
code
AI
do?
models:
Will generate a
ChatGPT,
complete response that will help you not
GPT-4,
only
Google
summarize
Pile
and
M2,
understand
and
the
Claude.
code yourself,
You can
but
refactor any code in
communicate all the
seconds just by
technical stuff
highlighting
with
it
your
and letting
team.
the AI assistant suggest new ways to optimize. In the editor, you'll be able to access an AI chat window where you can connect with your AI assistant at any time. Goodbye, Stack Overflow.
You can ask the
This
AI
assistant
super
will
general
analyze any
questions to
section
help
of
you
code
better
to reveal what
understand
it does
coding
and whether it
languages.
contains any
Or
errors.
you can generate
Code
functions
Snippets
or
AI will
entire
even
snippets
generate
for
code specific
boilerplate
tasks,
or repetitive
so you can
tasks.
avoid all the grunt work throughout the week. Save reusable snippets of code in a library that
Create
you
your
and your
first
team can
snippet,
access via
you
the
can use the
platform's
library
website.
view.
You'll
This
be
will
able
be
to add notes
filled
to code
with every
snippets,
snippet
which
you
is super
create,
handy for
organized
creating
by
internal
date,
documentation.
coding language, and
Plus,
nickname.
all
When
your
you
snippets
click
are
on a
stored
snippet
securely
to
and
edit,
nobody,
the
not
code
even the
editor
Code
pops
Snippets
up with
AI
its
team can
syntax
access them.
highlighted for that
Best of all,
specific
this
coding
AI
language.
assistant can explain any
Then
code
you can
snippet,
easily
so you're
switch
not
the
looking at
coding
your team's
language with
code
the
and playing a
dropdown,
guessing game.
or add further
You'll be
notes
able
and
to integrate
documentation
saved
using the
snippets into your
notes
code
feature
by
below.
simply selecting them from the AI chat window. And you can add custom code to your snippet library with just one click, saving your developers loads of time. With the help of AI, you'll be able to write elegant code in a blink of an eye. This masterpiece deserves more than a C++. Code Snippet AI helps you refactor, debug, and optimize your code, as well as store reusable snippets for faster development. Decode your coding workflow. Get lifetime access to Code Snippets AI today.